You got the hiccups? Yeah, I'm kind of anxious they're never gonna stop.
Well, they've always stopped in the past, right?
Yeah, but I've heard stories where some people get them and they just never go away.
Okay, well, I bet I could stop them.
I've literally tried everything.
Everything?
Okay, I've tried a couple things.
All right, give this a shot. Breathe in and hold your breath for 10 seconds. And before exhaling, take a few sips of water. And then exhale. Any hiccups?
No, I think they're gone, but
But what?
now I'm anxious they're gonna come back.